In this video, we will compare two popular portable washing machines, the ROVSUN 15LBS portable washing machine and the portable washing machine. Both are designed for compact living spaces, but they differ significantly in features, capacity, and price. Let's dive into the details to see which one might be the best fit for your needs. When it comes to pricing, the ROVSUN 15LBS portable washing machine is priced at $149 United States dollars, making it a more premium option. In contrast, the portable washing machine is significantly cheaper at just $69 United States dollars. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you are on a budget. In terms of capacity, the ROVSUN model offers a total capacity of 15 pounds, with 9 pounds for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. Meanwhile, the portable washing machine also claims a capacity of 15 L, but it's important to note that this measurement may not directly correspond to the weight capacity of the ROVUN. If you have larger laundry loads, the ROVSUN may be more suitable. The ROVSUN washing machine comes equipped with a built-in drain pump, which simplifies the water removal process after washing. It also features separate timers for wash and spin cycles. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is designed to be compact and foldable, making it easier to store. However, it lacks the built-in drain pump and has fewer washing modes. Depending on your needs, these features could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN 15LBS portable washing machine and the portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The ROVSUN offers a larger capacity and more features, while the portable washing machine is more affordable and compact. Consider your specific needs and budget when making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.